Hello guys, welcome all of you. So today I am going to tell you a story of one lady. The lady, you can say it's a love story. You can say love for humanity, love for family, and honor for family, honor, self-honor. So this is today I'm telling you, and that lady name is Meher Bai, and she was the wife of Sardar Tata, and daughter-in-law of Jamshed Tata, who was the founder of Tata Company, uh, Tata Tisco Company. So actually I have gathered some data and I'm sharing with you. So what happened actually in 1924, there was a global recession, and during that global recession, mostly all over the world, the companies were in loss and some companies were closed. So when it happened, India was also affected. Then that company was Tata Tisco company was going to be closed, and it was very difficult to pay the salaries of employees. And there were many other like economic and financial problems. So at that time, Meher Bai, she took stand and she gave necklace, and in that necklace there was a diamond, and that diamond was you can see even that Meher Bai pictures are also available on the net, so you can see, and she's wearing that diamond in the necklace. So that diamond weight was 254 carats, and it was double the size and weight of the Kohinoor diamond, which is today with the UK royal family, England royal family. They are having, and Queen Elizabeth had that in her crown. So on any other day, I will tell you the story of Kohinoor, but today I'm just telling you about the Meher Bai. And she gave that diamond to the Royal Bank. She pledged that diamond, and she took 1 crore. And that 1 crore they invested in again in the company, and they gave the salary. So in that way, uh, now there are different angles to think and see. One, you see the sincerity of Meher Bai, her love for the humanity, for the employees, for her husband, for her father-in-law, for the company. You just see that mostly the ladies are fighting for the diamond, for the gold, and some ladies are so becoming selfish that even the families are sometime in passing through the great trouble, but they are not giving their diamond to be used, or their gold to be used in the business or to build up the family. So you see that lady Meher Bai, that she gave diamond, and so in that way the Tata company was again it progressed and again came on their feet. ओके जी, मैं एक्चुअल आपको ये स्टोरी है ये बता रहा हूँ मेहर बाई की। मेहर बाई जो थी वो सरदारिब की वाइफ थी, और वो बहू थी सर जमशेद की। तो 1924 में पूरी दुनिया में एक रिसेशन आया था। रिसेशन उर्दू में मुझे भूल गया रिसेशन, लेकिन रिसेशन मीन ऐसा कि एक बिज़नेस करना ज़रा मुश्किल हो जाता है, तो उसमें महंगाई बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है और चीज़ों की प्राइसेस बढ़ जाती हैं। तो कंपनी के लिए मुश्किल था कि कंपनी को चलाना। सो पैसे इनके पास उस वक्त नहीं थे। तो फिर मेहर बाई जो थी, इन्होंने इनके पास एक डायमंड था, और उस डायमंड का वेट था 24 कैरेट्स, और उसका जो कहते हैं कि उसका जो साइज़ जो था वो डबल था कोहिनूर का। और शी गिव दैट डायमंड, और वो डायमंड जो है फिर उधर रखा गया, जिसको आप कह सकते हैं गिरवी रख दिया बैंक में, रॉयल बैंक में, और उसके बदले में 1 करोड़ रुपया दिया गया। वो 1 करोड़ रुपया फिर वो यूज़ हुआ दोबारा से कंपनी को रीस्टैब्लिश करने में, और कंपनी को रीस्टैब्लिश किया और एम्प्लॉयज़ को सैलरीज दी, जो मुलाजमीन थे उनको सैलरीज दी, और इस तरह से वो वापस अपनी जगह पे कंपनी आ गई। और जो कंपनी के मुलाजमीन थे उनकी ज़िंदगियाँ भी बच गई, क्योंकि उस रिसेशन में बहुत लोग जो थे वो बेचारे पॉवर्टी में चले गए और उनकी डेथ्स भी हो गई थी। सो एक बात हुई थी, लेकिन बाद में फिर जो जो मेहर बाई थी उन्हें ल्यूकीमिया हो गया। ल्यूकीमिया टाइप ऑफ आप कह सकते हैं कैंसर है। तो देन शी डाइड। तो उनकी याद में उनके हस्बैंड ने ताजमहल नहीं बनाया। नो, Meher Bai, she was died because of leukemia, cancer, and then in her memory, in her love memory, her husband sold that diamond and established one cancer research organization or cancer research foundation. और वो आज तक काम कर रही है and they are providing, still it existing, that cancer research organization, and they are providing free services to the patients. तो वो जो मरीज हैं उनको free services देती हैं. तो you can understand it's a love story, and I think it's better than the Taj Mahal story and the other romantic love stories where the only in love story the two persons. Now you see that love, this is the love, and this is actual. She not only used her own desire, or that husband also, Mr. Darib also not only kept that money, but what he did, he gave it for the humanity. So आपको अल्लाह ताला जब कोई चीज़ देता है तो उसे इंसानियत की भलाई के लिए यूज़ करें, और देखें आपका नाम हिस्ट्री में रहेगा. Though the Meher Bai name is not as like Taj Mahal or the Noor Jahan name, but I think now it's coming in the history, and now the people will remember Meher Bai. और आप देख लें कि ख़वातीन जो है ना वो पूरी उम्र इसी बात लड़ती रहती हैं कि हमें सोना नहीं मिला, यानी गोल्ड, वी डिडंट गेट द गोल्ड, और वी गॉट अ लेस गोल्ड. तो आप सिर्फ ये देखें कि द मेन थिंग इज़ ह्यूमैनिटी एंड लव फॉर ह्यूमैनिटी. तो आप देखें आपका नाम हमेशा ज़िंदा रहेगा, सबसे बड़ी बात. तो ये सारी चीज़ें तो ज़मीन पर रह जाती हैं. देखिए मेहर भाई भी चली गई चीज़ों को छोड़ के, उनके हस्बैंड ने भी छोड़ दिया, जो जमशेद साहब थे वो भी छोड़ के चले गए, लेकिन देखिए उनकी अच्छी मेमोरी जो है वो अभी तक मौजूद है. इसी तरह से आप देखिए इंग्लैंड में जो किंग एडवर्ड थे, ही आल्सो एस्टेब्लिश द यूनिवर्सिटी, सो दैट यूनिवर्सिटी स्टिल वर्किंग and many people are getting the knowledge from those universities and places. तो आपने हमेशा ये याद रखें कि when God is blessing you, spread that blessing. Don't keep it only to yourself. It's light, spread that light. So have a good day, and I think it's a good example of to kill the self-desire and share your happiness, knowledge, love with the other people. So have a good day and good luck for all of you. Thank you.